CT Checkpoint Apparel Labeling Solutions Limited. CIT versus Checkpoint Apparel Label Solution. Major section is section 2, subsection 22, clause E, deemed dividend. Loan not shareholder of the company, not accessible as deemed dividend. Dismissing the appeal of the revenue code held that since the assessee is not a shareholder of the company for which it received a loan, such a loan could not be treated as a deemed dividend. So in this case, T. Abdullah Wahid and Co. is not a shareholder at the time when they received a loan. Previously, they was a shareholder, but when they received the loan, they are not a shareholder. So the loan which they got from the company can't be considered as an deemed dividend income in the hands of Abdul Wahid and Co.